And then you got to...
Finally, we finally got to the destination.
Which was Auschwitz.
Which was Auschwitz-Birkenau. Jesus Christ. The train stopped, and all of a sudden we hear this loud voice, Zwillingen austreten, which means twins step out. I said to Colonel, what should we do? We look so much alike. Everybody will know we are twins.
I want you to write it. That's
okay.
perfect.
Yeah, and everybody will know we are twins. We have to step out. So Pearl says, whatever will be with me will be with you, and let's step out.
So
we
you
stepped out.
Right.
We
and
stepped
you were separated from the rest of your family.
And the next minute, the people were lined up, and Mengele was doing his dirty work. He played God.
How did he do that?
To the right, he had a stick. To the right, who was not motion. To the right was in good health, so they needed the workers. To the left, whoever was motion to the left went straight to the crematoriums. The elderly, my sister with the two kids, Nancy, the guys hollered, if you're 10, 12, say you're 16. So my niece Nancy said she's 16. So they pushed her on the right side. She was, good enough for work. My sister with the two kids went to the left. We never saw them again. They went straight. They camouflaged them. They were going supposedly to the shower. They gave them a bar of soap and a towel as they were going to take a shower. There were some shower stalls quite a bit. So when the people went into the shower stall, instead of letting the water down, they let the cyclone gas on them, and it wasn't an instant death because they were choking. We could hear screaming, God, God, but where was God? We don't know where God was. But anyway, they all perished, and right away after they were gassed, they took them to the crematoriums, and in the meantime, two girls came for us, for the twins, and took us to a barrack where more twins were housed. So then she was taking...
You were looking for your family, and you asked those two girls.
We asked them, where will we be reunited with our family? So they asked, who did you come with? And we said, with our father, with a sister, with two kids, 3 kids. Like this they went. You will never see them again. You see those chimneys billowing with black smoke and fire, and you see the ashes that are falling on your hand. Those are from your loved ones. We were like in a daze. We would never believe it that something like